In the recording part, there could be lots of people who have this problem that when they send the recording to the leads, so they are not able to track that. Like I have sent the recording, then we are not even aware that whether lead has attended it or not. So we keep on asking after 1 hour or 2 hour that you have attended or not. So sometimes lead says that I have attended, and sometimes he says I'll attend. Second problem is they attend the recording but they do skips. So this is a major problem too. So the method or the formula which I'm going to tell you, if you implement it as it is, then you will get a great result. Because this is a foolproof plan, so that because this formula will help you to track and person will see the complete video. So first of all, you have to change the overview a little bit. Remember, we give business overview for what we have learned. For example, like in text, how to give an overview in our business. And second, we learned about audio notes. And third was micro video notes. And fourth was on the call. The thing which we have to mold is, earlier we used to say we do live webinars. You have to not say live webinar now. Now you have to say we do a webinar. If you want to attend it, then message me on WhatsApp. This time you haven't mentioned live. So it is obvious we are not lying. He won't be able to know that this is not live. So people will message you on WhatsApp. Somebody will send his name, date. So you have to follow the same process which I have already told you in the previous videos. Okay, after that, once that person has sent his detail, we'll send the details of the webinar. But this time you have to not send the details of the webinar. You have to send an audio note to him. And what you have to say? That I have a recorded webinar of 1 hour. What you have to say? I have a webinar of 1 hour recorded, which we provide in 3 slots. Let me repeat. For this, I have a webinar of 1 hour, which we provide in 3 slots. First slot is from morning 9 a.m. to afternoon 1 p.m. Second slot is from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And third slot is from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So all among these 3 slots, you can choose any one of them. And in that slot, the video will be available for you. And this is mandatory that in that slot that you have to see that video in that particular slot. So when you will save this thing, so you will see that person is getting serious. So what you have to say at the end, you have to choose one. So now lead has an option. That too according to you. It's not like that you give an option to leads. You're not asking him that when he can attend. You have given him that option. Now there are 3 slots, 9 to 1, 1 to 5 and 5 to 9. So there are 3 slots for a day. So he can choose any one of them. As an example, we can take that we have chosen a slot, and in slot he has told us that I am choosing 5 to 9 slot. That is evening 5 to night 9. Okay. So in that case, what you have to do, now lead has chosen the 5 p.m. Now what you have to do, tell him that you will get the link at 5 p.m. But now I'll tell you how to send that link. But for that you have to do one more thing, because when I implemented it, so I was facing this problem that I have to remember it. That next day I have to send this link, I have to send this recording or content. So what I used to do before it's 5, I set an alarm of 4:50. So whenever there was an alarm, I get to know that I have to do some work. It could be that I have to send a link to someone. So whenever it's 5, those who asked me for the slot of 5 p.m., I provide them with the link. But there's a format how to send that message. I'll show you. Now, as soon as the time ends, you have seen the message. In that, I have made my complete answer with the proper format that you have to follow. That your time has been started. I think you have seen that in that message. And now as the time ends at 9. And for that also I have set it a pre-designed alarm so that I get a reminder. And the message which I have shown you, you have to use as it is. And now I'll show you the second message which you have to send after this, see the video. It was 5 p.m. So it would be 9 p.m. for their ending slot. Now remind them that their time is over. So let me show you that message too. Now what happened is that person is bound. I hope you have seen both the messages, that when did it started and now how it ended. Now that person has chosen the time according to himself. So now he has done his comfort zone and you have done yours. And the best thing is you are able to track. Now you're clear with starting and end, that you know now it's 9 p.m. Lead must have seen this video. So as soon as you message him, so person will get a notification that yes, I have seen the video. And in these cases, most of the time, people do watch the recordings. But one common doubt which I have faced, and I think you all should know this, lead could say this thing, the recording which you have sent me, can't I see this video other than this slot? And obviously you know that the recording is available on the YouTube, right? So it could run at any time. So lead could ask this question to you. So in that case, what you have to answer, listen it carefully. You have to see, look sir, you have lots of work and even I have lots of work. and if you don't watch that video in that provided slot, so I won't be able to communicate with you. So as a result, your doubts won't be cleared. So this could lead to miscommunication between us, and this could result in interruption between our communication. So please watch it so that I can track you easily. Say this clearly so that I can track you clearly that you have seen the video or not. Otherwise, it will be in my mind that Rohit or whatsoever the name I took, that Rohit has seen that video or not. Is he seen that video or not? Plus, if you have any doubt, so you have to take time from me about tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But if we go according to the time slot, you will save your time and plus mine. When you'll say all these things, lead will find you really genuine. That yes, it is a great opportunity to save time of both of us. And when you will follow this, you'll get a great result. So now for further, we'll talk about, till now it was all about how to make people attend webinar. But after attending the webinar, how to talk and how to convert him, we are going to discuss that.